starts to worry about your mood, starts to wonder why the clouds are in your eyes. You can tell them it's the flowers or the cinder in the air, but don't let on what's under your disguise. Hey! I can't reveal what's inside or behind me, and thoughts that are real I can feel, they won't find me. And hey, put the clock back on the wall. I've been away where the night meets the morning, and flashes of gray bring the day and its warning. And hey, put the clock back on the wall. When the local population starts to act a little strange, starts to make you giggle to yourself inside, and he'll ask you why you're laughing as he laughs along with you. You don't know, but you both laugh so hard you cry.